boarding my flight when I sent you a text. They be asking me why I moved dolo, I gotta do that, I ain't tryna project. Lot of problems, but it ain't these vibes, cause I be on to the next. It's crazy, I can't really win with a lot of niggas, cause they viewing me as a threat. Ain't no regular, I gotta watch it. If it ain't no guap to pick up, then why pop them?
I had 10 generation, right? The one that just came out with the pink iPad. Nigga trying to slip recording, nigga. I know you're recording me.
Yeah, I don't want to record your goofy ass. Up at Best Buy for no reason again. Well, it's not no reason. Niggas just got the wrong shit.
And guess what? I'm gonna tell them that because I think that pencil is higher than the one that I'm getting. So guess what? You know, you do not have to put it back on the card. Just give me the cash.
Whatever, bro. Maya Carrie, she got me some Chick-fil-A. She said, I'm on your timing. Whatever you want, boo. Huh? Your lips look good.
Good.
Yeah. My lip gloss is cool. My lip gloss is popping. Let me do how my grandma did. Get some spit and wipe this up.
Stop fucking doing that, bitch. You don't like when you do that.
Who you calling a bitch?
Yeah.
Bitch. We've been doing good. We shouldn't be calling each other bad names. They don't like when we do that.
Yeah, I don't care what they like, bro. At this rate,
At this rate, wait. Talk your mind.
They're gonna find a way
To not like anything, huh?
to not like anything.
Oh, I love
or
when
to
she touch on me.
either like me or to not like you. They're gonna always find a reason. But guess what? It's more people that love us than hate us.
Right. And what they say?
And if you ain't got no haters,
yeah, okay. That's what
you
exactly.
ain't got no haters, you ain't doing something right.
There we go, girl.
High five.
She is. So, I've been plotting, man. I'm about to go to a location to see something about the BMW, as y'all can see. And we just been thinking, man. Well, I've been thinking. I don't know, bro. I'm gonna talk to this guy about some exhaust stuff, so. You cool with that?
No.
Why?
Because I don't want you to get nothing. Yeah, I ain't hearing my words. I don't want you to get nothing done to your car because it's going to take away the value.
It's not gonna take away the value. A lot of people, what do you mean? A lot of people do exhaust work to cars. How is me doing something minor to, I'm gonna go talk to him. I told him I don't want no
You're
rent.
going to be able to take your car to a junkyard car dealership.
Hold on, baby. Let me get some off your lips.
Y'all don't stay like him. You always putting your hands by my mouth.
I want to make sure you look up the part. I'm gonna be back. You'll know if I got something done. Give me kisses.
Okay, it's raining.
Give me kisses. Okay. We about to go see, man, what we can do. It's raining too. But yeah, man, we really quiet right now. You know what I'm saying? Like, I really been sitting here like thinking real hard. Like, damn, I just got something in my damn mouth. Shit. But yeah, I've been really sitting here thinking, like, bro, I wanna. It's quiet, but it got, like, you can hear that turbo. But I don't know, bro. I've been watching videos and everything. I've been seeing people like straight pipe and, you know, such and such stuff like that. So I mean, I think I'm gonna go with the straight pipe. You know what I'm saying? So and then we gonna most likely go ahead and tune it. But I don't know. Like, I've seen some people just do the resonator delete, and it was like still crazy. Like, sounded good. Like, you know, popping and everything. But I mean, I'm gonna let y'all hear it right now. Let me make sure there's no police around. So, like, you don't really hear nothing. You know what I'm saying? So I don't know, bro. We just got to get that aggressive sound. I'm gonna actually talk to them because I went to this place before, but I'm actually chop it up with him and everything. Because I talked to him on the phone. He did say he worked on BMWs before, so they trying to cut me off. Like, nigga, I will pass you. Stop playing with me, bro. But yeah, man, we almost there, bro. Yeah, we done pulled up now, man. We gonna see what they talking about. Look like they got some motion going right now. Looks like a Volkswagen up there. I'm trying to get that good sound. So we gonna see what they talking about. What's up, man? I called yesterday about the BMW M4.
What about it?
I was trying to see some. Y'all worked on BMW before? Yeah.
Yes, we do.
You got any options? You think for me? Like, what sound? Like, I don't want to go too ratchet. So, you know what I'm saying? I was thinking straight pipe.
Have you done any research? Have you checked?
Yeah, I looked at some video. I looked at some videos and everything. I was
What
just
did you find? And
straight pipe mostly. That's what I seen on most of the M4s that was done to it.
That's because most people don't want to buy the kit because the kits are.
Yeah, the kits are a pretty crazy price. I'm not gonna lie. But yeah, mine fully stocked. So yeah, I was thinking straight pipe.
Okay, let me look at it so I can give you a price.
Okay. Add it to a little bit. See what they got going on, man. Like I said, nigga got an attitude a little bit. I don't know. Like nigga, like he ain't enjoying his damn job. You know what I'm saying? So we about to figure something out.
Yeah, you can wait inside. I'm just gonna look under.
Oh no, I record it. I do YouTube, so I was just recording. My car's sitting though, bro, with this new carbon fiber on there and everything. The wicker bill real aggressive. Like damn, nigga, I just be recording. Nigga tripping, bro. I don't know, bro. I guess some people, just don't be having good days. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm like, damn, nigga, like I wanted your opinion on some shit. You know what I'm saying? Nigga acting all rude and shit. But I'm not gonna judge them. They probably having a bad day. Alright, man, so we done talked to bro and everything. We got the price and everything correct. So we about to do the X pipe and everything. The resonator's gonna be gone. The muffler's gonna be gone. We not deleting the cats though, because I'm not really ready to tune it yet. He's like, I told him pretty much when I'm ready to tune it, that's when I'm gonna delete the cats. Because he said pretty much if you want more popping sound, them cats gonna have to go. So right now we thugging right now. We waiting. They about to get it up in the air. The price not too bad because he was even saying, he said for them BMW exhausts, them prices is crazy as hell. Like the exhaust can be from like 2,500 to 4K, no cap. So I might mess around with this, some beginner stuff, and then eventually down the road, I'm gonna buy me an exhaust. So right now we thugging. I'm about to smoke, chill, wait till they put this carb in the air, and we just gonna record them while they doing their thing. About to get in motion. So you ain't hear nothing when the car turned on, man. It's just so super stock right now, man. That's why I said I need that. I need some sound, bro. Like I did my research. I've been seeing videos and everything, but that's actually my car start up. Yeah, man, we're getting up there, man. We're about to get up there. Got to put it up in the air. We're about to get right. We up in the air right now. I guess he examined it. So all that is about to be gone, I guess, bro. You know what I'm saying? We not about to have them same old tips either, bro. Them ugly ass tips. I might do the ones like with the color on it or whatever. I asked bro in there what was he doing. I think he's just doing a muffler delete. I'm really curious to see what this car gonna sound like. We gonna see. I'm just not trying to sound like no damn Honda or nothing. So I'm pretty sure that's the way I'm not going from the videos I done seen on M4s and stuff. So we should be Gucci. But we just cooling right now on the side, man. If y'all curious where I'm at, like I said, this is, if y'all even remember and go back in the videos, this is where the charger got done. See, he actually remembered who I was. He was like, yeah, I remember you, bro. I thought he had, a little bad memory. I can say his attitude a little bit better now. I don't know, bro. But we cooling, man. We gonna wait. I guess we vibing our way in the car in the air. I'm cooling. That back diffuser hard though. Y'all can't stunt that. But he already showed me where you're gonna put the X pipe. But something else I figured out, bro. I got active exhaust. So I saw the plugs. That basically means like for BMWs, for the valves to close and the valves to open and stuff like that. So that's what he was explaining to me because I was not understanding that at first. So now it makes sense. But they look like they about to get to work on it, bro. Coming down. everything. It looks so clean, bro, without it. Still slow. Out with the old, in with the new. It's still in tune, man. I done finished my wood. They still go. I ain't gonna stunt, bro. I done seen some BMWs that don't have no exhaust. They be running just like this. That's actually clean if you got a back diffuser like mine, bro. Like, I'm not gonna lie, that carbon fiber is hitting, bro. For real, it makes the car, but they still going right now, bro. We're gonna be done soon. We're gonna be doing some pulls. We're gonna pull right out of here soon. We're gonna see what it sound like. Came over here, y'all done found the damn basketball court. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, man. Let me show y'all my POV. Okay. Ooh. Don't play, bro. I really get active. Car's still going. Wyatt and already told, she said, what did you do now? We about to get active though. We still waiting. It's still going. Gotta dunk this thing. Go. I ain't had no toe to finish. We getting somewhere, man. All I hear is loud trucks passing by. They still working on it right now, but I done seen another BMW pull up, bro. Oh God, we got some more vibes out here. I don't know what he's about to get done, but I think that's a 4 Series, so we got some more vibes out here. More BMWs that pulled up outside, man. So there's a lot of BMW engineering over here, but we still getting work done right now, so gonna be patient. Yeah, so they done, man. I didn't get to see it get pulled out. I was on the phone with Maya and everything, but I think I heard it a little bit, bro. I heard some pops and everything, bro. So, bro, I'm about to hop in the car and turn it on and stuff. Let him do it. I'm gonna have to tell him put it like in M2 mode because I want to hear a couple revs and stuff. Are we done? Let's see what it looks like at this way. Yeah. Hey, can you put it in M2 mode?
How do you do that?
It's on the button. It's on the button on the steering wheel. M2 and M1. Turned on good. They just turned the M2 on. Hey, I like this. We got to see when we get to riding down the road. Sound good though. Yup, it sound good. Alright, we in it now, man. I think he got it in neutral. Wheel mode, we can triple. Alright, we back good. We're gonna slang out in M2. I'm probably gonna keep it in what you call it, manual, so we can see how this mode really sounds. It starts, it's really not raspy or nothing, bro. Oh, shoot. Alright. I'm gonna try to do a lunge. And I'm in manual. Oh damn, are they turning in? Shit. Yeah, they turning in. I don't see no police. Boy, that must sound good. Hold on. See the announcement. Oh yeah, and I don't got no engine light or nothing, cause like I told you, I had an active exhaust. He was like, he don't know if anything will pop up. Oh. Sound good. I like this sound, bruh. No cap. We sounded too good. Y'all hear that? Oh, let's slow down, because this is where the police be. Bro, I'm not gonna. Oh, I heard pops. Oh, hold on, bro. I hear the pops in it. Yeah, we in Sports Plus. This is the full M2 mode. This mode sounds good. Let me see what it sounds like in M1. Still the same. Oh yeah. Back in M2. That's it. Let's go. We was in manual. Shoot. Boy. We gotta get Maya reaction when I get to the crib. She told me this in the video. I said, no, you gotta see it in person, man. Boy. I like this sound. Boy, on me, I like this, bruh. Hold on. Let's put this back in manual. Like this. Boy, playing in that manual crazy. Damn. Bro, y'all hear that? I like this sound. Like you hear the turbo more. Am I tripping? Gotta watch how you ride, dude. I'm just trying to make sure y'all get that good sound. You feel me? Oh, let me slow down, boy. Police might be up here. I wonder what Maya gonna say. No, yeah. Oh, I thought I saw police. Oh, it's downshifting. Hey, yo. So I done pulled up and Maya already was here in the car, bro. So we gotta see her reaction of what she thinks. I'm gonna let her back in right now. I'm gonna get in the car with her. They didn't want to go. They went to her PO. What? What'd I do? I walked right by.
Nigga, you send me back and back.
I'm sorry. So, babe, you can keep back and back while I talk. You
Chill,
think?
nah.
I'm about to
I ain't
ask
got no money for you if you feel
What is this? I'm about to.
over.
What are you talking about? I'm right here. I was asking about the sound. Bro. Oh my gosh, she being disrespectful.
That's the M4.
That's that M4. You like the sound? You really do.
He said you like the sound?
Oh, he heard it. Wait, was you recording it when I was around there? Dude.
No, I'm just kidding.
Oh, I'm about to say, what is this flying, bro? Around my face.
I don't know.
Yeah, they can irritate you. We need to get it out. Dang. But Maya like the sound.
I was up in Houston, boarding my flight when I sent you a text. They be asking me why I moved dolo. I gotta do that.